Discover the fascinating journey of how peaches are produced, from orchard to table, in large factory settings. It's a blend of traditional farming techniques and modern technology. So, how do they do it? The journey of peach production starts with selecting the perfect varieties. Different varieties offer unique flavors, textures, and colors. Popular choices include Alberta, Red Haven, and Georgia Belle, each known for its distinct characteristics. Experts consider factors like climate suitability, disease resistance, and yield potential. By starting with the best varieties, producers ensure they can grow high-quality peaches that meet consumer preferences and industry standards. This careful selection lays the foundation for a successful harvest and delicious final products. Once the best varieties are selected, they are planted in orchards with optimal growing conditions. Farmers prepare the soil, ensuring it is rich in nutrients and has good drainage. Peaches are planted in well-spaced rows to allow for air, circulation, and sunlight. Regular monitoring, pruning, and thinning are essential to encourage healthy growth and maximize yields. This meticulous farming approach ensures the trees produce robust and high-quality peaches year after year. Irrigation and fertilization are crucial for healthy peach trees. Drip irrigation systems deliver water directly to the roots, ensuring efficient water usage and optimal moisture levels. Fertilizers are applied based on soil tests to provide essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This balanced nutrition promotes vigorous growth and enhances fruit quality. Proper irrigation and fertilization practices help maintain the health and productivity of the orchard, ensuring a bountiful harvest. Protecting peach trees from pests and diseases is vital for a successful crop. Integrated pest management techniques are used, combining biological controls with chemical treatments when necessary. Regular monitoring helps identify pest issues early, allowing for timely interventions. This approach minimizes the use of pesticides, ensuring a healthier crop and reducing environmental impact. Effective pest control ensures the trees remain healthy and productive, leading to high-quality peaches. Timing the harvest is essential to ensure peaches are picked at their peak ripeness. Farmers monitor the fruit closely, looking for signs of maturity, such as color, size, and firmness. Harvesting too early or too late can affect the flavor and quality. By harvesting at the optimal time, farmers ensure that the peaches have the best taste and texture, ready for processing and consumption. Harvesting peaches by hand allows for careful selection of ripe fruit. Workers gently pick the peaches to avoid bruising and damage. Hand-picking ensures that only the best peaches are chosen, maintaining the quality and appearance of the fruit. This method, though labor-intensive, is essential for preserving the integrity of the peaches as they move to the packing facility. Once harvested, the peaches are quickly transported to the packing facility to maintain freshness. The journey from orchard to packing facility is carefully managed to prevent delays and minimize handling. Efficient logistics ensure that the peaches arrive in optimal condition, ready for the next stage of processing. This swift transition helps preserve the quality of the peaches. At the packing facility, peaches undergo a thorough cleaning process to remove dirt, debris, and any residual pesticides. They are washed in large tanks filled with clean water and sometimes treated with a mild sanitizing solution. This step ensures the peaches are clean and safe for further processing. Clean peaches are essential for producing high-quality products, whether sold fresh or processed. The cleaning process not only enhances the peach's appearance, but also eliminates potential contaminants, ensuring they meet food safety standards. This meticulous washing process is the foundation for delivering safe, delicious peaches to consumers. After cleaning, the peaches are meticulously sorted based on size, color, and quality. Advanced sorting machines, along with skilled workers, ensure that only the best peaches move forward in the process. Any damaged or underripe peaches are removed to maintain consistency in the final product. This meticulous sorting guarantees that only the highest quality peaches are used for packaging or further processing. By ensuring uniformity and quality, this step helps maintain the peach's appeal and taste, whether they are destined for fresh sale, canning, or other processing methods. This careful selection process is crucial for delivering a premium product to the market. The processing method for peaches varies based on their intended final product. Fresh peaches are graded, sorted, and quickly packaged to ensure they retain their natural freshness. This rapid handling is essential to preserve the fruit's taste and texture. For canned peaches, the process is more intricate, involving several steps to transform the raw fruit into a shelf-stable product. The peaches are first peeled to remove the skin, then pitted to take out the seeds, and finally sliced into uniform pieces. These prepared slices are then packed in syrup or juice, which enhances their flavor and extends their shelf life. The filled cans are sealed tightly to prevent contamination and preserve the product's quality. Each processing method is meticulously controlled to maintain the peach's natural flavors and nutrients, ensuring they meet high-quality standards. By the end of the processing stage, the peaches are transformed into versatile products, ready for packaging and distribution. This careful and thorough approach guarantees that whether peaches are sold fresh or canned, they deliver a consistent and enjoyable eating experience, catering to various consumer preferences and needs. Packaging is the final critical step before peaches are distributed. The processed peaches, whether fresh or canned, are measured and placed into appropriate containers, such as cans, jars, or plastic packaging. These containers are then securely sealed to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. The entire packaging process is carried out in a controlled environment to ensure the highest standards of hygiene and safety. Each package is meticulously labeled with essential information, including the product type, production date, and storage instructions. This transparency not only builds consumer trust, but also guarantees that customers receive a safe, high-quality product that they can confidently enjoy. Maintaining the freshness of processed peaches from the packaging stage to the consumer's table is paramount. To achieve this, temperature-controlled storage and transportation are employed to preserve the peach's quality. Proper sealing and packaging techniques are vital to prevent spoilage and extend the product's shelf life. This careful handling process ensures that the peaches retain their flavor, texture, and nutritional value until they reach the consumer. By the time the peaches are enjoyed, whether fresh, canned, or in any other form, they remain as delicious and nutritious as they were when first processed, providing a delightful and reliable product for all. Finally, the packaged peaches are distributed to retailers and consumers. Efficient logistics ensure that the products reach their destination quickly and in excellent condition. Retailers stock the peaches on shelves, making them readily available to consumers. The entire process, from orchard to table, is designed to deliver high-quality peaches that meet consumer expectations. Whether eaten fresh, canned, or used in recipes, peaches offer a delicious and nutritious option for adding flavor to any meal. So, there you have it, the fascinating journey from orchard-grown peaches to the delicious products we enjoy. This process artfully combines traditional farming with modern technology to bring high-quality peaches to tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.